how to get your YouTube music recap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your YouTube music recap, and here this will show you your top artist, songs, genres, moods, and everything that you have listened to this year. It's quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the YouTube Music app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now, here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now, here, once you are in your account section, then you simply have to tap on the option labeled as Your Recap. And now, here in this section, you will see top songs, artists, genres, albums, highlights, and stats. So, here you can scroll down to view all your stats and personalized cards. And if you like, then you can share it on any card like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. And that's it. That's how you can get your YouTube music recap. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.